here's a nice little treat. I thought it would be a smart and cool and good idea if I were to do a video on the first day at my new job. Because look, so it's been exactly 7 days since I've done my final zero guard buzz cut for a while. So in theory, this is, I guess, a number 1. Of course, the sun's out, so it might look balder than I actually am. But I thought it'd be really cool if I make this video, because anytime you start a new job, there's gonna be that learning curve. It's gonna take a couple of months. And what's funny is I was thinking about, once I get to that point where I really feel comfortable that I know what I'm doing at my new job, then I'm gonna have hair, and I'm gonna have a legitimate hairstyle, not just like this fuzz that's gonna awkwardly be growing out. And that's what's funny. I think that in that sort of awkward transition as I'm learning how to do my new job and learning everything, my hair is going to match that awkwardness. But I will have a normal hairstyle, and when it looks like it's no longer in that transition, then I'll feel like, okay, I know what I'm doing at my new job. But I thought this would be a fun little treat because it's on location, you know? And here's the real, you know, 6-story building that I'm working in, that I'll be doing this job in. So this may not sound like that fun of a video as you're watching it now, but imagine once I feel comfortable in my job and know what I'm doing, I'm gonna have hair. And like, it's just so symbolic, like that we'd have both of these things happening at the same time. And it's not that I'm growing my hair back out because I got a job. It is interesting that I was zero guard when I did the interview for the job and I had a beard, but I decided I'm gonna start doing a clean shave with the sideburns. That's what I'm gonna do in the midst of this awkward hair growing out phase that's gonna last. In my mind, I'm thinking it's gonna be about 2 months. So day number 1, basically it's been exactly 7 days since I did a zero guard, which means technically this is a 1, but when I'm in the sun it looks a lot balder than it is. So new job, official week since last zero guard buzz cut. Let's see how these things match up. The hair growing out along with me and this new job in this very corporate building, 6 stories with an elevator. That's fancy for me.